The 6 zodiac signs of Bodhisattva, reincarnation. There is a prosperous 3 generations in the family. The last one is the luckiest. Behind every successful man, there is no shortage of a smart and excellent woman. These women are not just career boosters for men. It is the source of their blessing in life. Especially the women of these 6 zodiac signs, born to stand behind Bodhisattva-like compassion and wisdom blessings. Make them the patron saint of the family. They are very prosperous, can be invisible, bringing good luck and wealth to the family. Assistant men are rising in their careers. The Buddha symbolizes peace and wealth. If a person hits receive their blessing, then this life must be a long blessing, wealth and glory. These zodiac women, their hearts are kind, virtuous, destined to be able to accumulate the blessings behind him, bringing endless good luck. Their every move are accumulating blessings for the family, because they know how to be kind to others, show grace. Therefore, the Bodhisattva showed them great compassion and blessing. These zodiac women are not only winged and their good deeds, so that they can be protected by the Bodhisattva all their lives. It is very likely that they were immortals in a previous life, destined to be auspicious and healthy for a lifetime. Longevity. Families of women with these zodiac signs, no matter what the challenge, eventually save the danger. Usher in a better life. If there is a zodiac sign reincarnated by a fairy in the family, really can see 300 people, then the fortune of this family will continue to thrive. Husband and wife continue, especially according to zodiac numerology. Some zodiac people are born with random luck. Not only can it bring good luck to yourself and your spouse, and let the whole family be under their protection. Thrive. Generations of wealth. If you don't believe it, you can continue to read it. The first zodiac sign is a monkey, especially female friends. Monkey women are born with Wang Fu's lifestyle. Not only are they smart and kind, soft inside, never hurt others easily. They're like Bodhisattvas reincarnated, possessing limitless compassion and kindness. They have great luck. I usually like to do good deeds and accumulate virtue, no matter whether it is relatives, friends, or strangers. Encounter difficulties, they will lend a helping hand without hesitation. This kind of kindness not only has it amassed profound blessings for them, it also makes their fate more smooth and auspicious. Monkey woman, often with exceptional wisdom and insight. They are good at seizing opportunities, able to provide for families at critical moments. The wisest advice. They are not only in their husband's career, give full support, but also through their own good luck and luck. Let the family's fortunes flourish. Married to such a monkey woman, it means that no matter what career the husband is in, will succeed with their support. The whole family will also enjoy it. The quality of life continues to improve. It's getting hot. If the family can welcome, marry such a monkey wife or daughter, it was a blessing for the family. They are not only prosperous but also prosperous. Their kindness and wisdom will influence future generations, drive the overall fortune of the family, make 3 generations can bask in the blessings they bring. As the saying goes, marrying the wrong daughter-in-law destroys 3 generations. Marry the right daughter-in-law Wong, 3 generations. Monkey woman. It's the kind of lucky star that can make a family thrive for 3 generations. Their existence, not only for husbands and families, brings endless good luck. Also for the whole family, brought continued prosperity and happiness. Have such a woman. The future of the family must be bright. Rich for a long time. The second zodiac sign is a person named Rabbit. Especially female friends. Rabbit women are naturally warm, soft and kind and soft, always full of compassion and a spirit of helping others. They are very interested in doing good in their daily lives, big or small. As long as it can help others, they will lend a helping hand without hesitation. It is because of their kindness and selflessness. And they were incredibly fortunate. Destined to have a powerful Wang Fu name. Marrying a woman born in the year Rabbit. Husband's unemployment. With their support and good luck. Step by step. Unemployment is on the rise. Wealth is rolling in. The whole family can also get involved in it. Live a happier and happier life. A woman born in the year of the rabbit can not only be prosperous, more prosperous. Their kindness and compassion. Not only have you accumulated rich blessings for yourself, it also brings a steady stream of good luck to the family. Therefore, if you are fortunate, married to such a woman, never stop her from doing good deeds. Their acts of kindness are accumulating blessings for the family, making the family's luck better and better. Wealth will also skyrocket along the way. As the saying goes, marrying the wrong wife destroys 3 generations. Marry the right daughter-in-law Wong, 3 generations. Rabbit woman. Exactly the kind, a lucky star that can be enjoyed by 3 generations of the family. Their tenderness and kindness. Not only does it make family life harmonious and happy, it can also drive the wealth and prosperity of the entire family. If the family can marry such a daughter-in-law, the family's wealth will thrive. Wealth accumulation grows like a snowball. Their blessings and fortunes will be passed down from generation to generation to ensure the prosperity of the family. Truly the lucky star in the family. The third zodiac sign is a dog. Especially female friends. A woman born in the year of the dog has a straightforward and unrestrained personality, has a unique strong temperament. Although their appearance may seem a bit rough, but the heart is very kind. They're just so happy. Informal. Treat each other with sincerity. I can't watch others suffer. Whether it is a friend, family, or strangers. As soon as they see someone in need, will lend a helping hand without hesitation. It is because of this selfless goodness they have amassed a lot of good fortune in their lives. Make good connections. Wang Fu's lifestyle is particularly powerful. Dog woman. In marriage, it is the guardian of the family. They're tenacious and loyal husbands. Be even more powerful in your career. Always save the day when you encounter difficulties, because they have accumulated a lot of good popularity in peacetime. At a critical moment, you can always get help from others. Make the family business go smoothly. Their existence is not just a blessing for the husband. It is the lucky star of the whole family. The husband's career will grow bigger and bigger after marriage. Family wealth will also continue to grow with their good luck. In the future, they will also see their children and grandchildren full family and happiness. If the family is fortunate, marry such a dog-born wife or duck. That is undoubtedly a great blessing for the family. Not only do they pick themselves up behind them, can also lift this, pass it on to every member of the family. Make the family's destiny more and more prosperous. Business going well. Prosperity. As the saying goes, marrying the wrong daughter-in-law destroys 3 generations. Marry the right daughter-in-law Wong, 3 generations. Dog woman. It is the kind of lucky star that can thrive for 3 generations. Their integrity and kindness will serve the entire family, bringing long-term prosperity and happiness. Families thrive for generations. Wealth extends. The 4th zodiac sign is a person born in the year of Ox, especially female friends. Ox people may look old-fashioned on the surface, dull but hidden in their hearts. Kind and compassionate heart. Ox people are upright. Always silently care for and help the people around you, whether it's family, friends, or even strangers. As long as you see someone in trouble, Ox people will not hesitate to lend a helping hand. Their good deeds. Not only did he accumulate the blessings behind him, it also brought them the blessing of the Bodhisattvas. Make them see many happy events in their lives. Good luck. Ox people are destined for wealth and longevity. Their lives are filled with good luck and good fortune. In addition to being kind-hearted, Ox people are also very talented in financial management. They were not only frugal, they also know how to manage and invest their wealth effectively. Ox people have a high degree of risk awareness. Be steady. Never take risks lightly. In terms of investment and financial management, they are always able to make informed decisions. It can ensure the safety of funds. You can increase your wealth. Their financial planning skills make the family economy grow steadily, bringing long-term wealth accumulation to the family. And security. If you can marry such a person in your family, Ox's daughter-in-law, that is undoubtedly a great blessing for the family. They not only bring wealth to the family, but also through their intelligence and financial ability, make the family's economic situation thrive. Career 1 Shun Bish. As the saying goes, marrying the wrong daughter-in-law destroys 3 generations. Marry the right daughter-in-law Wong, 3 generations. A woman born in the year of the ox is the kind of woman who can make a family. 3 generations of thriving lucky stars, their virtue and ability. Not just a happy family. And pass it on to future generations. Make the family's destiny more and more prosperous. Wealth extends from generation to generation. The 5th zodiac sign is the rooster, especially female friends. Roosters are born smart, possessing keen insight and wisdom. When processing transactions, we can always find the best solution. But they're not just smart. Deep in my heart, I still adhere to my own set of principles. Then, and bottom line, no matter how much temptation you encounter, or what a difficult choice, they will never violate their conscience. If something touches their moral bottom line, no matter how great the benefits are in front of you, they will never do it. Their perseverance is admirable. It also won them the blessing of the Buddha. This integrity and firm belief make people born in the year of the rooster in life always meet a noble person to help save the day. Rotating chest, tablet machine. Wherever you go, genus, chicken people are always recognized by those around them. Availability and support. It's not just because of their intelligence, but also because of their kindness and integrity. Their good luck and good fortune. Not only can you make your life smooth sailing, it can also bring countless blessings to the family. If there is a rooster in the family, or at home, marrying such a rooster wife or daughter-in-law, which is undoubtedly a great blessing for the family. People born in the year of the rooster can not only bring exuberant wealth, their ingenuity and commitment to principles. It will also make the family business go smoothly. Wealth is rolling in. As the saying goes, marrying the wrong daughter-in-law destroys 3 generations. Marry the right daughter-in-law Wong, 3 generations. Rooster woman. Exactly the kind, the lucky star that can make the family thrive for 3 generations. Their existence not only keeps the family safe and rich, and that can be passed down from generation to generation, ensuring the prosperity of the family. The 6th zodiac sign is the tiger. Especially female friends. Tigers are naturally intelligent, possessing unparalleled courage and talent. They have amazing memories. IQ and EQ are equally outstanding. Since childhood, he has been the best in the eyes of others, both academically and professionally. Tigers always stand out. Achieved remarkable results. Impressive. Some people say that people born in the year of the tiger are like the reincarnation of a Bodhisattva. Not only did he hit Dai Fu, it can also bring endless wealth and opportunities to the family. They are like a cornucopia at home. A lifetime of wealth. Destined career is like a snowball. Make bigger. Tigers are born with leadership qualities. Their talent and courage make them feel at ease in the workplace. Create miracles repeatedly. Not only do they have the ability to create wealth, you can also accumulate these wealth steadily, bringing continued prosperity to the family. No matter how big the challenge, Tigers always rise to the challenge, transforming difficulties into new opportunities. Their existence is the most valuable asset in the family. If there is a tiger in the family, or the family can marry a tiger daughter or daughter-in-law, that's a huge family blessing. Tiger people are not only rich in themselves, you can also pass this blessing on to the whole family. Make the family's fortune soar. Business is going well. Thriving. As the saying goes, marrying the wrong daughter-in-law destroys 3 generations. Marry the right daughter-in-law Wong, 3 generations. Tiger woman. It is the kind of family that can make 3 generations. A rich and prosperous lucky star. Their wisdom and courage. It not only brings honor and wealth to the family, it also allows the family's business and destiny to continue to rise. The true prosperity of the family.